I'm Sarah Dionna. Welcome to my kitchen.
Using basic spices and leftover vegetables, I'll be creating my own version of a Mediterranean dish called shakshuka.
To get started, we're going to turn the heat on to about medium-high and take 2 tablespoons of olive oil. A little trick that I do to keep from burning myself on the handle is I take a cloth napkin, I wrap it around the handle, and I use a simple napkin holder to hold it in place.
You can check to make sure the oil is hot enough by putting a piece of onion in it. If it sizzles, then it's ready. We're going to add the onion slices and red pepper slices.
While the onions and the red peppers are cooking, I'm going to go ahead and add some spice. So I'm going to add some cumin, and I'm just going to sprinkle a little on there, about like so. Same with the turmeric. And with cayenne pepper, I never pour directly in because you might pour too much. So I always use the palm of my hands, and I sprinkle out just a tiny bit so that I'm not going to do too much. And pour it in like that. And then finally, I'm going to add in some paprika. And you can add a little more paprika than you did the cumin and the turmeric. And give that a good stir.
When the bell peppers and onions are nice and soft, add in your tomato slices. I lay them directly on the bottom. I'll also add in the garlic and jalapeno. Once the vegetables are soft, you're going to make a couple of little holes like so. You'll take your egg, crack it, and pour it in like that. And the same with the second egg, just like so. Disperse egg whites to get an even cook. Once all the egg whites have finished, remove from heat, turn it off, and garnish with cilantro or parsley, green onion, and of course, add salt and pepper.
Shakshuka, guys! This is absolutely one of the best dishes I've ever eaten, seriously. It's really good. It's hot, but it's really, really good. I love shakshuka. We just squirt juice towards the camera.